I'm getting back to work on Studebaker. About time. Had a whole bunch of other projects on the go. Family vehicles. And a little 92 Firebird I picked up for a driver with collector plates on it. So I got a little bit of work to do on this car. Got to put the dash all in. Got the wiring all repaired. Got the steering wheel all rebuilt. It was all cracked up before. Air cleaner's ready to go. Here's my new dash cap. There's the metal frame. And there's the dash cap. It's not new. Had the dash cap rebuilt here in Peachland. Going away from the stock brown color to black. And here's my parts that I have to install in the car. There's a little ways to go. Yeah, lots of little pieces. That no heavy work, so I'm liking that. All the heavy work's done. Once again, that'll be happening pretty soon is the dash. Rocker covers go on tomorrow. Air cleaner. Got the hood out in the garden shed. There's my 55 Studebaker. My little project.